A corporate wiki, for example a Confluence Wiki, enables the central collection and storage of information. Here, every employee can create new wiki pages. Storing knowledge is important. But, over time, this transforms the wiki into a huge, digital brain dump. Of course, this problem increases rapidly if there is no proper maintenance of the content. Outdated, overlapping or even false information complicate the search for the right information. And who wants to review thousands of pages manually? Nobody, of course. Automation is the key to clean up your wiki. How you do it? First, you need to get the data. A simple HTML export is enough to get started. Analyze metadata, for example title, author and date of last change, to get a feeling for the relevance. How relevant is the title? Are the authors still in the company? Are there documents that were last changed years ago? Analyze content. Here are some tips. Start simple. For example, check if the mentioned business units still exist. Get deeper insights by adding modern text processing technology. For example, assess how easy the text is to understand. Check automatically if the content matches its intention, with the option of applying cutting-edge technology. These results provide an orientation for the reliability of each page. You can use a targeted approach to improve content where the need is greatest and remove or archive outdated content. Usually, up to 70% of the wiki can be archived. The Avato information managers are specialized in the analysis and the interpretation of Confluence wikis. They provide the technology, and they are trained to identify the quick wins and the requirements of different stakeholders. With minimum effort, maximize your performance with your cleaned-up wiki.